Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Every time you sign up on a website, you hand them your real Gmail address. But many of those sites sell that address to advertisers, which is where spam comes from. Gmail has a built-in feature that makes this impossible, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. The first method is called plus addressing. You take your Gmail address and, before the @ symbol, add a plus sign and any word you want. Every single email sent to that address lands in your same inbox with no new login required, because Gmail treats the plus part as a label, not a different address. This allows you to create unlimited variations for shopping, newsletters, or specific apps. I'm going to sign up for Framer.com website to show you exactly how it looks in practice. Click this icon to see all search options. Now typing your plus address in the to field, you can create a filter for that specific address. Then click on Create Filter. You can choose to have these emails skip the inbox, apply a specific label like shopping, or mark them as read automatically. Gmail handles all of this silently in the background, allowing you to build as many filters as you want. I'm using Framer for this demo, so I'm creating a label specifically for their site. After making those changes, simply hit the Create Filter button to finish. The most powerful application is giving every single website a unique plus address. If you start getting spam, you can check which address it was sent to, providing a paper trail to prove which site sold your data. If a site sends too much mail, you can simply delete or block that specific plus address, ensuring they can never reach your real inbox again. Let's test this out by signing up for Framer with our custom Gmail address. Avoid the Continue with Google button for this. You'll want to use the standard email sign-up instead. Now, I'll enter my custom plus address here and complete the sign-up. A verification mail has been sent. Let's go see if it arrived. As you can see, the email arrived perfectly. It's automatically categorized under the label we created and marked as read. Now you can use plus addressing to track your signups and keep your main inbox clutter-free. This plus addressing provides unlimited addresses and, combined with Gmail's filter system, creates a fully automatic, organized inbox. So, that's all for today's video. I hope this helps you stay organized. If you run into any issues during these steps, just leave a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.